Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, SLCM for Brazilian nuclear submarines. Brazil foray into the realm of nuclear-powered attack submarines has garnered global attention, and the recent developments in its naval sector have stirred interest in India's cutting-edge BrahMos NG cruise missile. Next, IAF gains momentum in pursuit of 114 multi-role fighter aircraft acquisition, that is MRFA. The IAF is set to advance its long-pending initiative to acquire 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, that is MRFA, aimed at addressing strategic capability deficiencies and enhancing the nation's aerial prowess. The acquisition process, which has been eagerly anticipated, is expected to gain traction as the IAF moves towards securing the acceptance of necessity from the DAC, that is Defense Acquisition Council, in the coming months. Next, HAL developing artificial intelligence-based predictive maintenance tools for fighter jets. In a stride towards innovation and excellence, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is stepping into the realm of artificial intelligence to transform the landscape of aircraft maintenance. Chairman and Managing Director of HAL, CB Anantha Krishna, recently unveiled the organization's plans to develop artificial intelligence-based products that promises to revolutionize aircraft maintenance through predictive technology. Next, India needs to learn from others to fight two-front war, says former army chief. Geopolitics rarely offers the luxury of choosing neighbors, and as history teaches us, friendly relations can sometimes turn sour overnight. This reality becomes even more challenging when a country finds itself dealing with unfriendly neighbors simultaneously, a situation India knows all too well. The concept of fighting a two-front war or dealing with multiple adversaries on different fronts can be a daunting prospect, but history shows that the strategic fineness and operational art, even the most disadvantageous scenarios, can be managed. Next, sales contribution to India's naval strength by supplying special steel for indigenously built frigate. In a remarkable display of indigenous manufacturing prowess and national synergy, Steel Authority of India Limited, the state-run steel producer, has played a crucial role in strengthening India's naval capabilities. SAIL has successfully supplied the entire 4,000 metric tons of special steel required for the construction of India's 6th indigenously built frigate ship for the Indian Navy. Next, India's ambitious Gaganyaan mission takes shape. Preparations for Precursor trials underway. India's pursuit of space exploration is reaching new heights with its upcoming Gaganyaan mission, a monumental step towards achieving human spaceflight capability. The mission, in its advanced stages of preparation, is set to mark a significant milestone for India's space agency, ISRO. The Gaganyaan mission involves a series of precursor trials with 2 preliminary missions preceding the anticipated human spaceflight in the latter part of 2024. The Gaganyaan mission comprises 2 crucial precursors missions, each contributing to the ultimate goal of successfully sending a crew of 3 members into space for a 3-day mission, orbiting at an altitude of 400 km and then safely returning them to Earth by landing in the Indian Sea waters. These precursors trials are designed to validate the safety and reliability of all systems before humans embark on this historic journey. Next, BRICS Bank aims to issue first Indian Rupee bond by October. The development bank founded by the so-called BRICS countries is planning to issue its first Indian Rupee bond by October, its chief operating officer said on Monday, as the lender comes under pressure to raise and lend more in local currency. Next. Ultraviolet unveils F-77 Space Edition, where innovation meets aerospace design. Ultraviolet Automotive, the Indian electric vehicle manufacturer, has taken a bold step into the future of transportation with the unveiling of the F-77 Space Edition. This limited release electric motorcycle pays homage to India's remarkable journey in space exploration while seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with aerospace-inspired design. Thank you.